we're going to show you is a plank. So if you start on your knees and bring your hands out, and see how there's sort of a nice square formed, so your hands should be directly beneath your shoulders. Yeah? From here, you're going to take your feet out, so there's a straight line. Yeah? Now you don't want your hips to be too high or too low. It should be a nice straight line from head to your feet. Yeah? And it's up to you whether you hold your hands like that, or you come into a different position, which Amy will show you, which is resting on your elbows. And again, not too high with the hips, or not too low with the hips. Should be a nice even line.